Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Learning and Chit Chat. Hope you're doing well. I promise our today's video is gonna be awesome sauce because you're gonna learn some brand new English words. Actually, our today's video is the part 1 of the series about the brand new English words, and if you don't want to miss any part of the series, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it for an early update of my coming videos. In our today's video, we are going to learn brand new English words and their origin, their meanings, and the example sentences, that is where and when to use these words. Let's get started with the lesson. Our first brand new English word is awesome sauce. Awesome sauce. It's an adjective. Actually, the sauces have become now the new thumbs. Thumbs for liking or disliking. When something is very pleasant, extremely good, then we use this word awesome sauce. Guys, जब हमने किसी चीज़ की अच्छी चीज़ की तारीफ़ करनी होती है तो हम awesome बोलते हैं. नॉर्मली सोशल मीडिया में ऑल द टाइम awesome चल रहा होता है. हर पिक्चर के नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में किसी के स्टाइल पे हम awesome बहुत यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं. तो उसकी भी एक और फॉर्म आ गई है, मज़े की फॉर्म, awesome sauce. जब अपने किसी अच्छी चीज़ की तारीफ़ करनी होती है तो हम ये वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं awesome sauce. And I hope you are going to put a comment awesome sauce after watching the video in the comment section. Let's see the origin of the word. It's a 21st century word and it's a humorous alteration of the word awesome. Let's see some example sentences. Seeing them perform live was awesome sauce. And guys, awesome sauce can also be used as an exclamation. Like when we say, awesome sauce, looking forward to it. Or, the video has gone viral, awesome sauce. मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आप इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आप भी बेख्तियार कह सकेंगे awesome sauce. और अगर ऐसा कोई ख्याल आया तो फिर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में awesome sauce कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा. On number 2 is weak sauce. Weak sauce is contrary to awesome sauce. When something is of a poor or bad quality or a disappointing standard, then it's a weak sauce. And its origin is 1980s and it's a humorous alteration of weak. Let's see some example sentences. The rest of your argument is a weak sauce. Or, don't buy this weak sauce car even with the price cut. तो viewers, हमें पता चला कि जब हमने किसी बुरी चीज़ या किसी सब स्टैंडर्ड चीज़ के बारे में कमेंट करना हो तो फिर हम वहाँ पे वीक सॉस यूज़ करेंगे और ये बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट है awesome sauce के. Well, on number 3, it's manspreading. Manspreading, it's a noun. And I'm sure you might have experienced it when you've been on public transport. Because it's a practice whereby a man, especially when on a public transport, adopts a sitting position with his legs wide apart in such a way as to encroach on an adjacent seat or seats. And his legs are committing the annoying crime of street trespassing. तो आपने भी यकीनन इस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा जब आप पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट पे सफ़र कर रहे होते हैं तो कोई एक मुसाफिर ऐसा होता है ज़रूर जिसने अपनी टांगें भी बिखेर के रखी हुई होती हैं और अपनी घोनियाँ भी साइड्स पे यूं की हुई होती हैं कि कोई और उसके साथ वाली सीट पे ना बैठ सके, और अगर कोई बैठ जाए तो ये बंदा उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इनकन्वीनियंस का बाइस बने. तो इसका ओरिजिन जो है वो इट्स एन अर्ली 20th century वर्ड एंड it's a blend of man and spreading. Let's see some example sentences of manspreading. There is so much manspreading going on my train. Or you might have seen a signboard saying no manspreading on the chairlifts. Or we can also say a campaign to discourage manspreading or using an adjacent seat as a footrest. वाकई इस तरह की कंपेन्स चलानी चाहिए कि पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट पे एक आदमी अपने हिस्से की वही सीट इस्तेमाल करे, ना कि साथ वाली सीट को भी अपने फुटरेस्ट के तौर पर कब्ज़ा जमा के बैठ जाए. On number 4, our new English word is MacGyver. MacGyver. It means to make or repair things in an improvised and inventive way using the material or the things that you have at hand. And its origin is 1990s from MacGyver, that is the lead character in the TV series MacGyver, 1985 to 1992, who often made or repaired things in an improvised manner. And he regularly opened high security doors with the help of an ice cream cone or repaired a TV with a watermelon. And when you MacGyver, you repair something in an improvised manner with the material that you have at hand. Viewers, जब किसी चीज़ की मुरम्मत करने के लिए आप घर में मौजूद अशिया से ही हेल्प लेते हैं या आप घर में मौजूद चीज़ों के साथ कोई नई चीज़ बना लेते हैं बड़े इन्वेंटिव वे में, तो हम कहते हैं you MacGyvered that thing. Let's see some example sentences of MacGyver. He MacGyvered a makeshift jack with a log. Or, yesterday I MacGyvered like a boss and used duct tape to fix a chair. Or, you have no idea how many things I have MacGyvered just using the paper clips. On number 5, new English word is hungry. Hungry. It's an adjective. And I'm sure you might have been hungry before, because you simply combine anger with hunger. So it means bad-tempered or irritable just because of being hungry. The origin of the word, it's an early 20th century word, and it's a blend of hungry and angry. You are angry just because you are hungry. तो viewers, hungry हमारी उस हालत को ज़ाहिर करता है जब हम भूख के मारे बहुत गुस्से में आ जाते हैं और हम जल्दी से कोई चीज़ खाना चाहते हैं. तो उस वक्त जो हमारी एक गुस्से वाली और एक उलझन भरी हालत होती है उसको हैंग्री बोलते हैं. Let's see some example sentences. Guys, I need food. You really don't want to deal with me when I'm hungry. And I get very hungry if I miss a meal. With this, our video comes to an end. Hope you like it and share it to your friends.